Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making pinchos slash kebabs. Here I have 3 pieces of chicken breast. I'm going to cut the chicken breast in small cubes. The cubes have to be small like this, and it is easy for them to cook. Add the chicken to a bowl, and to season the chicken, I am going to be using some chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 garlic cloves chopped in small pieces. Drizzle some oil and mix everything together and all the seasoning can combine. Here I have 5 kebab sticks. I will be making around 5 kebabs, or how we call it in Spanish, pinchos. They are really popular in Hispanic culture as a pinchos. This one smells so good. If you guys make this recipe, please write down in the comments and let me know how you like this recipe. And this is how the kebabs looks. They look beautiful. So I am cooking the kebabs in the air fryer. I have this air fryer rack that is easy for me to place the kebab sticks on it. And here they are. They're ready for the air fryer. I am cooking the kebabs for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. After the kebabs has been cooking for 10 minutes, I take them out and I flip them to cook in the other side. Cook in the other side for 10 minutes as well. And this is how they look when they are done. They smell delicious. And now I'm going to make this delicious sauce that goes really well with the kebabs. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, some sriracha, a little bit of ketchup, and a little bit of balsamic glaze. The balsamic glaze is gonna give that smoky flavor. We are going to go ahead and mix the sauce in a Ziploc bag. It's easy for me to just put everything together and mix it together. Mix everything together until all the ingredients are combined. When all the ingredients are mixed, cut the tip on the Ziploc bag and drizzle some of that delicious sauce on top of the kebabs. It's gonna give a delicious smoky and a little bit spicy flavor, and it's gonna taste really good. If you guys enjoy my recipe, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. As you can see, I enjoy my kebabs with some pasta and broccoli, and it was delicious.